guys, it's me, Mariah, and today I'll be making slime. As you can see, I have a plastic bowl, a spoon, 1 bottle of school glue, and saltine solution, and also some shaving cream. And I'm going to make some fluffy slime, so let's get started. Let me open my stuff. Okay guys, so I have everything open. So first I'm going to pour in my school glue. Wow, that's a lot pumping out. Oh my god, I made a glue bubble. So what it looks like right now, I got white glue. This is going to be the best white fluffiest slime ever. I'll get back to you when I'm done. Okay guys, so I'm ready for the shaving cream. I just finished putting all the school glue in, as you can see on the thing. If you can look at that, so let's stick in shaving cream. This shaving cream is hard to get out. Let me shake it up. And I'll be back to you when I get it working. It's working now. It's a lot of shaving cream, guys. It's going to be extra foamy. Guys, look at all this. So now, I think I'm going to mix it. So, let's grab my spoon. It's extra fluffy. So, yeah. And this is only for one batch. So, let's go add in some saltine. And yeah, guys, it's going to be extra good. And I usually make slime without recording, but I just thought I should record today because I want to see you guys. Look at my slime, guys. It's so white. I just want to see you guys look at my slime, and it's going to be amazing. So, check in with me. And I'll get back to you when I'm done mixing. Okay, guys, I'm going to get in with my hands because now it's getting a little ready. So, let's pull this off the spoon. And let's get in. Guys, whoa, this is so fluffy. If you just knead it inside the bowl, it feels really fluffy if you put enough shaving cream. I put a lot of shaving cream in all my fluffy slimes, and it's going to be really good. Guys, I don't think I'm going to be able to pause the camera. I should have had someone record for me, but nobody really wanted to be in here right now because my brother's sick. He couldn't do it with me. My sister, I don't know what she wants to do. I didn't ask her. And so, yeah, it's really cute.
Hey, baby, you got it going? We already talked about this doing a slime on the bed.
Hold up.
You finna get a pop-pop.
I'm recording, Mom. Guys, my mom just walked in.
Oh, now say that out loud to the kids. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Here, put that on top of this robe.
No, because then you're going to mess it up. No, Mom, it's not going to
Who you on the phone with?
Nobody.
Oh, hi.
It's my mom. We're making a YouTube channel.
Oh, you making a YouTube channel?
This is really funny. My mom just walked in. She didn't even know. Guys, this is really white. And I'm going to get back to you when I'm done eating. So, guys, I just finished eating it. It is really fluffy, but it's a little sticky because I'm trying to get all this slime off my hands. And it's really feeling really good right now. So guys, comment below if you like my slime, and I'm going to do more slime videos. And after that, when I'm going to do a versus challenge versus my siblings maybe next time. And I want to know which one would be the best. And would you like my fluffy slime? It smells really good. We're going to add a little more slime because there's still slime on my spoon. And we're going to get some shaving cream and we're going to make it a little more fluffy. So let's get it out the bowl because I don't want to waste some. This is a really good feeling. I think I like this slime. Really good, guys. And let's see if it can make a good. And please like and subscribe please like this video and subscribe to my channel. And make sure to check out my Brother Being Bad videos. And yeah, guys, because this is really good film. Just like, I think I may add like a drip of contact solution. Look how much glue is left in here. So guys, I'm gonna put some more so I can make one more little batch. So guys, I just put it some on, and I'm still holding the other slime because I don't have anywhere else to put it right now. So guys, let me get some contact solution and add it in for now. I'll be back when it's ready. Guys, so I just made a really big batch, and now I have to knead it. And I'm trying to get it all out the bowl so I can do this. And this stuff is really sticky. I don't have... Oh, now that's getting good. It's because you have to keep moving it, or all of it will stick on you. So you gotta go like... You gotta like kind of play with it. Knead it. See how good this is getting, guys. And this is really big ball. That sounded a little weird, but it's a really big ball of slime. And I'm gonna get that dripping shaving cream. And it adds a little more CS contact solution. Now CC, and we're gonna, oh guys, this is really light. I can see on the camera that this is really light. And yeah, guys, so this is really, so I'll be back and it'll be super squishable. Okay guys, so this is super squishy. Let's sit you up so y'all can see. It's all over my hands. And it's super squishy. And it's not so stretchy because it's supposed to be fluffy. And I want to see if I can learn how to do a whirl. So you go. This looks like so cool. So we're going to do that one more time. Like a slime burst. So thank you for watching this video, guys, and see you later. Bye.